Kysee's Viral Body Butter. Brought to you by Kyseé Beauty. Indulge naturally. Crafting nature's goodness into every jar, we redefine skincare with our exquisite natural body butters. In our shop, we specialize in creating luxurious and nourishing body butters using only the finest natural ingredients. Pure bliss. Experience the ultimate hydration with our handcrafted, natural body butters. The best part is that it is safe for babies. All natural, safe for infants and toddlers. Kyseé Beauty, home of the Viral Body Butters. Viral Body Butters by Kyseé. Made with all natural ingredients like coconut oil, mango butter, and peach kernel oil. Gentle enough for kids, rich enough for men. Hydrate, heal, and glow naturally. Join us at kyseé-beauty-llc.com to place your orders today. Enjoy our 3-ounce travel size for only $7 each. Or try our 6-ounce full size for only $12 each. Buy 3 and save $10. Buy 2 for only $20. Or try the Launch Collection, where we have a first-time buyer exclusive. Spend $25 or more and get a special surprise gift. Because your skin deserves a little extra love. Remember, our handcrafted body butters are made with all-natural ingredients designed to deeply nourish, hydrate, and leave your skin glowing. Spend $25 plus and get a free gift. Feel the love from the very first order. Glow Up starts now. Thank you for trusting us with your skin. Kysee's Viral Body Butter. Brought to you by Kyseé Beauty.